Hi there. In this video you will learn how to create a link that will automatically scroll to a specific section on the same page. For example, let's say you have a testimonial link in the top navbar and you want to scroll to the testimonial section when the user click on this link. So we have a testimonial section here like this one. So to achieve this, first select the testimonial section from here and then just go to element setting from here and give it an ID. For example, here you can just give it an ID, testimonial section. We have given an ID to this. Next, go to the hero section. So just go to hero section from here and select that testimonial link and then go to again setting, and in the link setting you can go to here page section, and from the drop down you can select that ID. You can see that testimonial section ID and just click this and it's done. Preview the page and you will able to scroll to the specific section on click. So let's preview it. So when you click on testimonial section, you will able to scroll to that section of the page. So I'm creating a comprehensive tutorial on Figma to Webflow conversion in our upcoming videos. So be sure to like and subscribe if you are interested in more content like this. Thanks for watching.